Hello everyone, this is Mr. Ahmed Al Qadri. In this session, we will continue our lesson about the mixture, and today we want to talk about how can we take mixtures apart. A mixture is a physical combination of substance. These substances remain the same even though they are close together. That this is what we study in the first section in this lesson. So we can separate mixtures back into their original substance. We can use a physical change to push, pull, lift, or otherwise separate one part of a mixture from another. So density, solubility, particle size, magnetism, melting point, and boiling point are all good properties to use when separating mixture. Today, we want to learn how we can separate a mixture of water and sand and other mixtures. So this is an example of dissolving sugar in water separates it from sand. So filtering and evaporating the water recover the sugar. So first I wanna make a filtering of the water. So the sand particles cannot pass through the pores in the filter, but the water particles can easily go down. So right now here we have sugar and water. Then we evaporate the water, and then we can have the sugar right now in the bottom of this beaker. Another example of mixture is the metal iron piece of iron with the sand. So in this example, the iron is attracted to a magnet, but sand is non-magnet. So I can separate the iron from the sand by using a magnet. Another example of separating mixtures. This is here in this example. We will use a density to separate the mixture. So in water, the low density sawdust floats while the high density sand will sink. So it can be separate the mixture. Okay, guys, right now, what if you need to separate two liquids? If the two liquids had different boiling point, you could use distillation. Distillation is the process of separating liquids by using evaporation and condensation, as you see in this picture. So this is an example of dirty water is a mixture of pure water and harmful liquids. Of course, the water has a lower boiling point than the other liquids. It will evaporate first. So we will put heat source here right now. We heat the mixture, and so the water it will evaporate first because the water has lower boiling point and become water vapor. When the water vapor pass through this instrument right here, we call the condenser, the water vapor, the higher temperature, the warmed coolant, it will be go out from here, and we put a coolant here right now. So the temperature, the evaporated water is cooled and condensed. So the temperature during this condenser decreased of the water vapor decreased and become water. As we know, the evaporation is the change of state from liquid to a gas, and the condensation is the change from gas, the change of state from gas to liquid. So right now here in this condenser, the water vapor cooling and become is cooling and become water. As you see right now, the water droplet go right away through this beaker here. So this is an example of how we separate liquid mixtures. Okay, guys, now we want to talk about how are mixtures used. So, as you know, you probably eat mixtures every day. So many drinks are solution with sugar or other particles dissolved in them. So many foods are colloids, such as cheese, low fat milk, whipped cream, gelatin, and marshmallow. Also, you can see at the bottom of your page in your book, gelatin. You can see it's a mixture dessert, and you can see here the fruit salads is a heterogeneous mixture. So also we can use it as a stain. This is an example of uses of mixtures. Stainless steel is a strong alloy that does not rust.